Hello everyone, I am Isha and I am a student of Yantrova online SolidWorks classes which is taken by Mr. Suman sir. Well, for me, the classes of Suman sir was really amazing because he does not only teach us about the software as well as he teach us about how as a design engineer we have to know the things. So, thank you very much Suman sir and Yantrova.
Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Singh Saroya. Thank you Masterclass Infinity and especially thank you Suman sir for teaching SolidWorks in very easy way and help us to understand design in industrial point of view. Thank you Suman sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukesh Sinha. I have completed my SolidWorks course in under guidance of Mr. Suman sir. He teaches the software as well as he teaches how industry runs. Thank you Suman sir and thank you Yankurva for providing this platform in even this COVID scenario.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Chhattisgarh. I have learned SolidWorks under the guidance of Mr. Suman sir, who is the founder of Yantrova. And personally, it was an amazing teaching from Suman sir. He taught us all the basics of SolidWorks and all the important aspects of SolidWorks, all the important tools which are used in industry, and which I really find out important was his teachings were always related to industry. And other than designing, he taught us all the important topics one should know before joining an industry. So thank you so much, Suman sir, and thank you so much, Introva, for providing me such an amazing platform for learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Larendra Manikpuri and I am an undergraduate student in mechanical engineering. It was a very good experience with Yantrova and especially with Suman sir. Suman sir, thank you for always being with us. The key point in the whole procedure was the way of your guidance. It was very good. You were always present to clear our doubts and it was very friendly ecosystem there.
Hello everyone, I am Rajkant Sahu and I am a student of Mechanical Engineering Department from CSIT Durg, Chhattisgarh, and I am having a great experience with Suman sir. Thank you Suman sir, Yantrova, Masterclass Infinity for teaching us and giving valuable knowledge and things which we need. Every new day you had gave something new about software and industry point of view and make the thing interesting.
Hello everyone, I am Aman Chandrakar. I have recently completed my SolidWorks course. The trainer for the same course was Suman sir from Bangalore, the founder of Yantrova. He has trained us to be master in SolidWorks by making us to understand the design and design related parameters by relating it to industry point of view, which helped us a lot to know about the design and the design required for industries. Thank you Suman sir for making us to.
Hello to everyone, my name is Sarsis Saum. Thank you Suman sir, Master Infinity classes and Yantrova for this online course, SolidWorks courses. It's get lot of knowledge about SolidWorks and better experience about SolidWorks courses. Suman sir taking a class, it's a wonderful for me and it is very interesting and it's very useful for me. Thank you Suman sir.
Hello, good morning, sir. This is Bharadwaj from Bangalore. Have been completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering from HKBK College of Engineering at the year of 2018. Now I've been applied for an job-oriented training class in Entrova for an SolidWorks software. Suman sir has completed the portions of SolidWorks like as an part modeling, 3D modeling, and then surface sheet metal and drafting successfully. And his teaching was very nice. Before starting the class, he was clearing our doubts for 15 minutes. So thank you, sir.